Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for your visit. And if you have not yet subscribed in my channel, please subscribe. We're going to continue our discussions yesterday. And in yesterday's exercise, we discussed about generic model mass family. We are still in place, mass, but the tool that we use, it seems we are creating mass in place, but in reality we have created our model using a family editor. This is a family editor. Like this, we use this swift blend or a blend. Now this time we will do it in different approach. We will do it by creating a complex mass family. This is purely mass family environment. So we're going to close this, and I'm going to open new metric English, and then conceptual mass and mass metric mass, open. And let's change our unit UN, and then length meters, and 2 decimal places, then okay, then okay. Now next, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to create a point. I place a point here, and I'm going to make another point, 1. I will make it 4 points, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And next I'm going to do is we're going to create our parameter. Going to create a parameter, and a new parameter, and I will name our first parameter LL, or level L, and make it instance, and then okay. Then another parameter I'm going to create is level 1, L1, instance also, and then okay. Then next is again another parameter, and I will name it L2, and then make it length, instance also, and okay. And then the last one is level 3, L3, and then instance also, and okay. Then this LL, I will place it as our constraints. Okay, and we'll make a value of LL, let's say 4 meters. Okay, apply, and then L1, we'll make it L1. This one L1 is equal to LL. Make a formula, and then L2 is equal to L1 plus LL, and then oh, I have created 2 plus, and then the next we're going to place it L2 plus LL, and then apply, and okay. The next parameter that I'm going to use is I'm going to create an angle. I'm going to create 3 angles, angle 1, angle 2, and angle L. So we'll name AL, angle L, or on level, and make it also instance, and I'll make this one angle, and then we'll place it in also constraints. And then again, another angle that I'm going to place is instance also, and I'm going to make it angle 1, and then make it angle, and this one is okay, dimensions is okay. Then another angle that I'm going to create is angle 2, A2, and then going to make it angle also. Type parameter is angle, and then instance also, and then dimensions, okay. And then the last angle that I'm going to create is A3, and then make it instance also, and then type of parameter, I'll use it angle, dimensions, and then okay. That's it. That's all our parameter, and then okay. Then next thing that I'm going to do is I will click the point that we have created, and I'm going to associate it, the offset. I will associate our offset to the parameter that we have created. Associate family, and then I will place it A1, and then okay. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click it this again, and then I'm associate again this offset to L2, then okay. Then again I click this back again, and then I'm going to associate again, and I will associate it L3, and then okay. Okay, these are all the points that we have created. This is only one. If I will erase this, delete, it's only one, and then undo, only one. And then again, I'm going to select all these points, and what I'm going to do is I'll place this one, show references planes, always show. Then it is always now. And then I'm going to click this angle, this one, and I'm going to associate also the rotational angle. I will associate it in angle 1. Associate. And then I will click this also point, and I will associate the rotation angle into A2. And then the last thing that I'm going to associate is A3. And then okay. Yeah, this is it. So let's check if this is flexing. So I'm going to change my angle. Let's say I will make a formula first. A1, I will name it is equal to AL. And then A2 is equal to A1 plus AL, and then A3 is equal to A2 plus AL. You can add more points if you like. This is just only our exercise. That's why I have limited it only into 4 points. And then let's check if it is flexing. I'll change this into 12 degrees. Apply. Now it's flexing. Or make it 30. Apply. Now it's flexing. And then go back to 0. Apply. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I click it here, and I'm going to make a reference line or a reference rectangle. It's better we go to level 1, and then I'm going to make a rectangle, reference line, rectangle, and then I'll make it like this, and okay, make it DI, dimension it, and then make it equal, and then I will dimension this, and then make it equal, and then let's name it parameter di. I'll name this one, and then also this, and I'll make this a parameter, and I will name it width WR, width level. We are in level, and I make it also instance, and then okay, and then this is also equal to width else level. Okay, now we'll flex it and make it exactly 40 meters, and then we'll remove this constraint. We don't need the constraint here. Remove the constraint. Okay, and go back to 3D, and then what I'm going to do again next is I just click this and then copy to clipboard. Yes, copy to clipboard, and then I'm going to paste it into same place, and then I'll change this one to pick, and then I'm going to pick this level. Now I have two now. Okay, and then again I'm going to click this again, and then I'll copy it to clipboard, and then paste it same place, and then I'm going to pick a point, and then I'll pick this point, and then we have 3, and then again I'm going to paste to same level, and then again pick, and then I pick this, and we have 4 levels. 1, 2, 3, 4 levels. Let's see if it's flexing. We'll change this one, our LL to 10 meters. Okay, now it's okay, and then we need to dimension it. We will dimension this also, so that if we want to change it, we can change it anytime. So DI, and just pick this one and pick this, and then I don't think it's like confusing. I'll hide this, temporary hide, and then I temporary hide this, and then I'll dimension this one DI, pick this and pick this, and then make a parameter, and I will name this parameter W1 instance also, and then okay, and then also this here DI, and I dimension this, and here I think it's not correct. I'll just set our level, because this is creating W1 also. Okay, I'll set our level, set our reference plane, and I reference it here, reference here, and then DI I dimension, and then dimension it here and there, and then also here and here also, and then I will name this one W1, and then also this I'll name it W1. Okay, and then again I'm going to change our reference level, reference plane. I'll make a reference plane here, and then DI, and here and here, and also here and here, and then I change this name, and I name it W2, w2 and make it instance, and then okay, and then this one also, this is also w2, and the last one is we have a distance here and have a distance here, and this one is the last one. I'm going to again set our reference plane, and I'll set it here, and then di for dimension, and I'm going to dimension this and here, and then also this one and this one, and place it there, and then I'm going to name this one w3, and then the other one make it instance also, and then I'll name this one w3 also. Okay, this is our figure. I'll change our dimension. We can make a formula if you like. Let's say I want it like it goes like in different shape. I'm going to add another dimension. If I like, I will add it, and I will make it WL, and then instance also. It's already there. So again, I'll may do it again. We have WL already. W 1 2 3, we already have w3. It's okay. So we already have this one. What I'm going to do is change this one into consents. Okay, and then I'm going to make WL maybe around maybe 2 meters, or make it 5. It's okay, 2, like I'll check it, and then 1 2 3 1, we name this one W1, W2, and then okay, we have it. Our W1 will make it say 40 line. Okay. We can change our dimensions according to our choice. Okay, and then let's check if it's flexing. I change my angle O 12, apply. Now it's flexing. Okay, I just hide all these categories, hide category, flexing, and okay, we go back and then make it 0, and then apply, and then we're going to select all, and then after selecting all, you filter it and check, and then just reference line, apply. Okay, and then create a form, and then there is our form, and then let's see if it's twisting. Make it 12, apply. make it 30, like make our LL make it 40, like very high. Okay, and let's change our WL W1. Let's change this one 20, like let's change this one 30, like 10, like okay. Now it's flexing like this. This is different approach. And next that I'm going to do is I'm going to load this into project. Go to home, new, and then no, I'm wrong. Go to new, and then go to architect template architect metric architectural templates, and then okay, and then change our unit to UN, make it length unit meters, and then make it 2 decimal places. And then I'm going to open our massing on site and show mass, and then in place set this, and then I'll go back here, and what I'm going to do is I'll load this into project, load into project, and then I load it, and then I can click it anywhere, and then go to 3D, and this is it. This is the mask that we have created. Okay, this is a complex mask family, and we have created it in massing environment. Okay, and then we'll finish, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click south, and then in south just drag this and drag this also, and then I'm going to create a level, just create a level, and just right click this one, right click, create similar, and make a level. Maybe we'll offset it into 4 meters, and then this. Undo, and then again click it here and 4. Don't know how many levels we're gonna make, but this is very high. We are already in 56 level, 16 level, and by the way, because we are still in we can again go to edit mask, and we can also again edit this, because we are still here. So I want to change this LL into, let's say, 20, half it. And then 3D, still like this, I half it. Okay, so that we're going to limit our level up to 60 only, and then accept it, and then remove this level, delete. Okay, we have only up to level 60. And okay, and again we can still edit this, edit, and then edit family, and then you just only click this tab, this face, and you can divide the face. I'll divide the surface, and I can create a pattern. Let's say I want this pattern triangle, make it triangle. Now we have a pattern triangle like this, and also this one, I just tab this, select only one, this one, then I make also pattern same, divide, and also make it a pattern triangle, and also this one, make it triangle pattern. Just tab it, tab, and then pattern, divide, and then make a pattern. And I have discussed this making a pattern in my previous tutorial. You can make a form there by using adaptive component, and you can place a triangle inside so that you can get a solid surface. Tab, and then make a family. I didn't get it. Tab, okay, and divide it, and make it also pattern, same pattern, triangle, and here, this is the one that we have done, and then you can finish it, and then finish. And this is just mask. If you will close the mask, this will go. Let's say close the mask, close this your mask. Oh, it's a pattern, it doesn't go. Realistic. And then next thing that we're going to do is we can create a floor. We just select this all, and then create floor. We just click for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We don't need to select number 16 because that is already the roof, and you can directly assign a roof there. Then okay, and then this is it. We have a floor. Floor is already there inside. Okay. Okay guys, that's it. This is all the things we can do. We do two different approaches. One is using this generic model, and the other one is we use this masking environment, and we created a point. Thank you guys, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.